Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and we are going to do this as quickly as possible so you guys can get on your day. And looking at the daily time frame, we can see that the 55 and the 21 EMA are trying to cross. Price action is above the 21 and above the 55 EMA, looking healthy and strong. My only negative thing about this is that the volume is very low, and that's the only real issue I have. We're almost, if not, have we? Yes, we did just take out that high. So we've officially made this the highest point, and now it's up to us to close our 4-hour candle above 24,700. And if we can definitely get to the next target, which is around 26,000 and almost $50, $26,050, and then we can see where we go from there. But it's very much looking like that we are trying to come into this resistance. If we do not close above $24,670, we can look for us to come back and test our support, which is around 23,500, which is this 55 EMA, and then worst case scenario, we can get a bounce over here at 23,100. Any 4-hour opening closes under 23,100, I would be concerned about continuation to the downside. So just keep that in mind. From our possible pathways, we are just about to break up above this 24,700. Once that happens, we can remove our idea of the top being put in here, and then I will actually look for it to come in around here. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now anyway, because this level here, this 26,050 and this EMA and our top of our channel is where I was looking for the resistance on Bitcoin. It will do it like that. So the first sign of this will be our 4-hour open and close above 24/7, which we're pretty close to it. We're not that far away. Yeah, but we did reject nasty over here. We're trying to fill this wick over here. We need to get it open and close above here, and then we can start slowly going sideways and up into that other resistance at the top of the channel. Remove this. And yeah, I mean, we're not out of the woods yet. We have not closed above this. This is what we need to close above. And if we go down from here, we don't want to really lose this level here, 24,300. Closing under 24,300 is a possibility that we lose our support at 24,050. And then we can basically go much deeper into our correction into the 21 EMA, which is around basically 23,700 and then lower. But I think we could at least be okay to test into this level here, 23.4. My issue is breaking back into this channel that we just broke out of. Just doesn't look strong. It would be a SFP. This is a swing failure pattern. And if we do start rolling around over here and then coming back under this channel, it kind of confirms it. We could look at a much deeper retrace from there. So just be warned. If we get under the 21, I'm looking for a deeper retrace like that. And that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin. Okay, I want it to come over here all the way down. If we lose the 21, I'm expecting us to go down a little bit deeper, like over here. Okay. As long as we're above here, I'm not looking for us to do this filling out of the flag. But if we bounce lower than here, yeah, I think we might do this. Find some support on the golden pocket over here at around 22,200 to 22,000, and then we could go up. And yeah, if we close above here, then I'm looking for the resistance all the way over here around 26,050. So basically from here, when we start closing above here, shout out JD. When we start closing above here, I'm looking for price action to come over here. Okay, the first sign will be hourly open and closes above here. As soon as we lose this level here, which is around 24,300 with hourly open and closes, I'm going to be looking for a support bounce right around here, around 23.7. If we don't get it 23.7, I'm going to be being patient for a 4-hour open and closes above 23.4, because if we do lose 23.4 and we lose this midline of this ascending channel, well, we have the possibility of going all the way to the bottom of the channel. Okay, first I'm looking for the support on the golden pocket. If golden pocket doesn't give it to us, then I'm looking for the EMA or the bottom of the channel. If you break down from this path and we don't do this inverse head and shoulder situation, you're going to have a very, very sharp move to the downside. Very, very sharp move to the downside because it's going to be breaking out of this ascending channel. If we can break up above this level and then start closing above this 4-hour open and closes above 26,000, well, the possibility of us going to the next level is extremely high. Oops. Almost like this. I mean, we're talking about a $4,000 move all the way to 28,000 to 30,000 is where I'll be looking kind of to retest this order block right over here between this green and red thick EMA. If we can get into that order block, I expect us to start filling it out. Hopefully even take out this high over here on the left, 32,300, to take out all of this liquidity here. And then if it wants to roll over, it could roll over. So keep that in mind for Bitcoin. Let's go look at Ethereum real quick. I said I was going to be quick about this, and you're definitely not being fast. Apologize. First of all, I want to thank to everyone who showed up to the live chat that we had yesterday at 7 o'clock into the daily close last hour. We said we were going to do it for an hour. It ended up being like 2.5 hours. So that was really cool talking to you, Jay. It was really, really awesome catching up with you, Lemons. So yeah, I hope we get to do more of these again in the future. It was cool. All right, so back to the topic of Ethereum. Ethereum is the stronger asset. It's already above the 100 EMA. It's testing into the next EMA. We're looking for closes above 1900. As soon as you have hourly opening closes above 1900, you can look for move to 20,030. And just wicking it is not what we're looking for. We're looking for hourly opening closes above it. Let's go to a 4-hour real quick. I did not check the volume on the daily. Volume isn't that bad. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't see any like clear divergences. So here's the 4-hour. We are so close to this naked point of control, which I've been saying we should tap, we should tap. I was looking for this area right around here. Right into the top of the channel. I was looking for this area around 910, 915. I think we tapped into that. I have the bottom of the order block over here, but I should be raising this. But I'm leaving it like this for now, just for us to see what's going on. I was talking to D yesterday, and we were the previous resistance I had was like 1880 to 18 something else. But then once the daily candle closed and we did this one wick, I redrew my chart, and I had this confluence of our top of our channel and resistance and all that stuff anyway. So I just did that to see exactly if the price action was going to get to it now or not. So as you can see, volume is subsiding here on the 4-hour, and price is going up, up, and up. In 21 minutes, it's possible that we do start looking for a pullback due to the fact that we are putting in a little bit of a flat consolidation here that did break out. What I want to see is open and closes above 1900. As soon as we have hourly open and closes above 1900, we can look for the continuation higher. but I think that this area right here is going to be a fat level of resistance between 1920 to 1940. Once we have hourly open and closes above it, we can look for a higher. But if price action comes over here again, I will be probably looking for a short. And if we get stopped out over here at like 1945, then I'm going to be waiting over here at 2000-ish. These are the levels I'm looking for. So if I enter a short here, I'll have a stop loss here if it keeps climbing. Then I'll enter it over here, have a stop loss a little bit above that. So each one of these parallel lines is a level as to where I expect a reaction from the price. And then that's where I want to enter and exit. So this is on a 4 hour. And then what I would do is, since this is what we're looking at between these two white lines, I'll just go to my 15-minute. Then I can refine my entry and exit strategy. As you can see, we are still fighting this little channel that we're in on the 15-minute, and somebody did get that perfect short right on the top of the channel, so congratulations to them. Now they have to defend, so they've been defending. Bollinger Band is starting to curve to the downside. EMA and everything is still looking positive and healthy. But if price action does not open and close this 15-minute candle above 1900 and it closes under 1900 in 4 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm expecting us to come back into this 21 EMA and maybe even under. Okay. The bullish trend now is out of the way because we already did a lot of legs up, and I think, and I'm hoping that as of right now, we're setting up for a little bit of a retracement, taking the liquidity back from the bulls, and then probably coming and testing around 1850-ish, I hope, and then we can go back up. If we just go up from here, it just gives the shorters more of excitement to short it because it was too fast, too much too fast. But a little bit of consolidation gives us the fuel to sustain this rally longer. Just going up and up and up is just, sometimes it's, if you're on the right side of the trade, it's great. But the reason why I say it's not sustainable is because eventually, when that sell candle does come, the fast move up is a fast move down. It's been a very long time in the market that we have not seen a BART. Well, this was an inverse BART, and now I'm looking for another kind of BART situation, unfortunately, just to go sideways and consolidate this range a little bit more. I'm not saying we're going to the bottom. I just want to fill out this consolidation a little bit more, and then we can shoot to the moon. I think we can at least come test back into 1875, but it looks like it already has done that twice. And this was a lower high. That's why this happened right here. Now we need to make a higher high. We have the lower highs. We need to make a higher high above this level here, and then we can look for more. But yeah, if we don't do it, I think it's gonna just try to fill out this, make a little triangle consolidation, which is kind of already doing, and just break out. All right, well, that's what we're looking for on Ethereum. I hope everything is going good with you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. If you have any assets you would like to cover, reach out. I'll cover them in our discussions next time. We will be activating that members section. I'm trying to keep it as economic as possible. I have two plans. One is $20 a month and one is $1 a day. So if you want to just check it out for the day and you want to just give $1, go for it. If you want to stay for the month, go for it. I'm gonna come out with a lot of material just catered to you guys. So pretty soon I'll be trading live. You'll be able to watch my live trading on Discord, and then we can chit chat as to what we want to get into, what we want to get out of, what kind of leverage we're trying to look at, entry, exit, stop losses, take profits, laddering in, out, uh, indicators. I'll probably have a MACD going, RSI going, as well as my EMAs. We'll show how I do my fibs with order blocks, etc., etc., etc. So if you are interested, please do send me a DM, and I'll send you the link to the other side of the group. And yeah, we are getting things rolling in the right direction. If you guys have anything else you would like me to cover or go over, feel free to reach out and I'll get back to you. And then lastly, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe button, and the bell button for notifications. And I will see you in the next one. All of you members, feel free to join me on the Discord section, and I'll be there monitoring any questions or concerns. And I'll be sharing my charts live all day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.